Hey guys, long time no see. This is just a quick video on how I make my keychains. I'm using this cutter. I got this from Walmart. It was $11. I inserted this little clip to show you exactly which one I bought. This is faux leather I got from Etsy. You can see on one side it's the leather and it's a cloth backing, and this is just my regular glitter heat transfer vinyl. So firstly, I'm just gonna measure both the fake leather and my heat transfer vinyl. That's just what it's gonna look like. And the strips come like this. It's gonna have the heat transfer vinyl adhere to the back. So my cut is just gonna be really just blunt. You know, it doesn't have to be perfect, just enough so that we can heat press these together. And this was my actual first time using a cutter like this, but when I tell you, it makes life so much easier. It took some getting used to, but I can't cut straight with scissors, so it's definitely a good investment. And that faux leather is not very thick at all. It's probably around the thickness of cardstock. So you see here I have my faux leather on the bottom of my heat press, and then I'm just going to put the glitter right on top. I found the best method is to adhere these together first and then cut the 1-inch strips afterwards. It just makes it easier. That way you don't have to try to line up the 1-inch strips together and have any gaps. So it's best to just adhere these in one swoop and then cut the 1-inch strips individually. So you'll see me here, I have my paper on the bottom and then as well on the top. I do that because that initial cut was not exactly matched up the same for both pieces. So this is just so if there's any additional heat transfer vinyl, it won't go on my mat for my heat press. And I didn't use a specific time. Each vinyl comes with its own time that you should, you know, put it on for and press it for. But since this isn't going on the shirt, it really didn't matter to me. So you'll see that's all together, and you see how that wasn't perfect, but that little piece of paper on the bottom saved that from going onto my board. You know, it's not that serious to me. So I'm just gonna do that one little piece there on the edge, and you'll see me press that. Again, just follow the heating times and instructions on your vinyl. To me, it wasn't that important since it's just for keychains. Alright, and always be careful. This can be kind of hot directly coming off. I'm just peeling that right on off. Alright, and then we're gonna cut our 1-inch strips in each keychain fob. They do have different width measurements. Mine's that I bought happened to be 1 inch, so I just cut 1-inch strips. You can see it there, and we'll just remove that plastic backing off of the glitter part. And that's pretty much the base of our keychains. As you can see, we just flip them in half and they're good to go. Glitter on the inside and the leather on the outside. And you can see I have a whole bunch that I already cut into strips. And when I do cut my strips, I just leave that plastic backing on, so when I'm ready to actually put my keychains together, I can just take it off then. And this is what I bought off of Amazon. It does come with the hardware as well as the tool to push them together. You want to place it in the tool with the teeth side on the top, just like so. That way when you put your keychain in there, the teeth will go in from the top and you can just lay it on that flat bottom. And then you just press it down. It doesn't take a whole lot of strength, but I just like to make sure it's really secure. And then that's it. It's good to go. You can see those teeth just go into that leather. Again, that leather is not super thick. And you can buy just a whole bunch of that. They have the regular faux leather on Amazon as well as different ones on Etsy. So I'll just demonstrate one more time. Again, you want to make sure your measurements for your particular key fob hardware and your strips match up. Sometimes your strips may be a little bit bigger and you can just cut off the excess with a scissor or something, you know. It's not that difficult, but it's literally so fast and so cute. And again, you have that pretty glitter on the inside, and it just really adds to the look. And just here's a couple of them that I've done already, and this one was with another kind of vinyl. As you can see, I decided to start going with the glitter because I just feel like it gives it more of a completed look. It's super fast, guys, super fast and so cute. And you can see just in that amount of time, I didn't speed that video up, but I just made a couple. These are some examples of some that I've made already. And they're really durable leather. Again, it's not super hard. It is somewhat of a soft leather, but they're really cute. And you can get all of these faux leather sheets for really cheap. And you'll probably, if you have 1-inch key fobs, you can probably get around 8 or 9 off of one faux leather sheet. So it doesn't come up to that much per keychain, and you get a lot out of it. Hey, thanks for watching.